Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the RY5798 Compact Plug Spinner by Ritan. It uses the same push-button technology as the RY57. It's just a compact design. As you can see with its low profile and little hook here, you can put this in your pick set, you can put it in your shirt pocket, and it's not going to take up too much space. You can also still buy replacement blades, this little part right here, as well if you were to break it. Now before I do a demonstration, let me just explain how it works here. As you can see, there's a little cutout right here, and on the other side there's a cutout right here. So essentially is what we're going to do. Now you can use this either way. You can go right to left or left to right. But as what you're going to do is you're going to move it or twist it 180 degrees, and then you're going to push it in, and it's going to pop this out here. So when you hold it and you're going to push in this button, this little neon yellow or green piece here, then it's going to activate the plug spinner. Right now in this situation, we want to go clockwise or right to left. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here and we're going to move it the opposite way that we want it to spin here, you know, when we're looking at it. So we're going to turn it, we're going to twist it, and then we're going to push it in right there. You see how it locked in right there? And now this push button you can see is sticking out, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in just like that. All right, now I prefer to get the cylinder pretty close to the shear line or where the Bible is right here, straight up and down. Some guys like to keep it much farther over here, which is fine. Just do whatever works best for you. So you're going to get it in just like that. Now let me move this back so you can see my hand here, just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this button here, and it's going to pop this cylinder over to the other side here so it wouldn't have to be picked again. All right, here we go. Got to put in there like that. I'm going to push the button just like that. As you can see, it flopped it over to the other side. Now we'll be able to get that lock open and we're good to go. So that's the RY5798 Compact Plug Spinner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.